And a very good day to all my viewers out there. It is Friday, February 24th, 2023. It's exactly 4:27 p.m. And for this walking video, we're going to be walking through Angrignon Park. This is a beautiful park in the southwest sector of Montreal, Canada. And this is in the LaSalle borough, the LaSalle sector. And as you can see, it is winter, of course. And I'm not going to do too much talking in this video because I want it to be sort of a natural video of listening to the sounds, seeing the sights of nature at its best. I did an autumn version of a nature walk in the West Island in Terracotta. I'm going to do another winter walk soon with my gimbal. This one, it's not going to be with the gimbal, it's just going to be me holding the phone, but like I said, I will do a gimbal version eventually. So we're going to walk on trails, off trails, and as you can see, the sun is starting to set somewhat, but we are getting closer to spring, which means the days are getting longer. So enjoy the walk. And like I said, I won't be doing too much talking. And remember, if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, just leave them in the comment section. And if you're watching the premiere, well, the premiere of this video, go ahead and leave some comments in the chat section. Enjoy the walk. Looks like there was an animal here at one point, maybe a rabbit. Beautiful sound, those trees crackling in the wind. The natural cycle of the forest. Trees fall, new trees grow. This is a lake that's frozen over. Look at the beautiful pattern on the lake, the frozen lake of the snow. Beautiful. Nature is the greatest gift, I'm telling you. Beautiful. So we'll go to the other side carefully. There's the ice. If you want to see the ice. Beautiful, very tranquil. Reminds me of a desert. I've never been to a desert, but think of this as sand. If this was sand, this is what the desert would look like. And you'd have these natural waves in the sand. If you've never been to the desert, neither have I, but from what I've seen on TV, the sand makes these beautiful patterns. Well, snow is very similar to sand. Look at this, this is a cool effect. Kind of looks like a map. Looks like islands or something, or continents on some ice world. Really cool. If you use your imagination, maybe you could see it too. Try to get my, I'll do it this way so my shadow's not in the way. It's kind of like some alien planet. Really cool. Nature's artwork. That's amazing. So we'll keep walking a bit here and then make our way back to land, and we'll go back into the woods which are surrounding this lake. I'll just say this about Angrignon Park, and I'll let nature speak again, so to speak. Angrignon Park was originally supposed to have a very big zoo in it, a very large zoo, and it was supposed to have lions and giraffes and everything. But it didn't happen, which I guess is a good thing, because, you know, keeping lions and giraffes and that in this area would not really be, you know, practical. And they did make a smaller petting zoo with other smaller animals like sheep and goats and all that, chickens. And it used to be in that building. I remember it years and years ago when I was younger, decades ago. But now it's been closed for a while, and it's a storage facility for the city. But Angrignon Park, when it first opened, other than the idea of the large zoo they were going to put, it was very large idea at the time, because if you read the old articles and stuff about the history of Montreal and the area, it got a lot of attention in the papers. It was, I think, outside of Montreal, this was the biggest park, and it still is one of the, and I'm talking about in Montreal, and it still is one of the biggest parks. Beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Alright, we're going to go back to land. Try to get up here. I am wearing shoes because I wasn't actually planning on coming here. I was at work, and we ended up going home a bit early because there was technical issues, and I took the metro to Angrignon, and yeah, decided to come here. Try to find a little less of a slope, an area with less of a slope. Alright, there we go. Yeah, very beautiful to come here, you know, and you gotta love every season. Every season, nature has something to offer. So we'll go back to the silence and enjoy nature's sights and sounds. I will just say one more thing. The temperature is right now about with the wind, minus 14 degrees Celsius around approximately, and without the wind it's about minus 10, minus 11 degrees Celsius. And we got some cold air moving in. It's going to go down to about minus 32 degrees Celsius over the weekend. So it is very cold, but that's why I'm doing this video now before the sun goes down. Beautiful opportunity. Sorry about the wind. Let's go in this area here for a bit. It's not going to be too long, this video, because it is cold, but I'm going to try to make it at least 20 minutes, another 10 minutes or so of walking. See the moon up there, crescent moon through the branches. Beautiful blue sky, different shades of blue depending on where you face. So I'll do another 3 minutes or so because it's getting colder as we continue. So 20 minutes for a walking video, I mean, it's not too bad. At least you got an idea of what it's like here in winter. A little bit of nature. So impressive, those waves of sand, they call them. That tells you the direction of the wind based on where the sand's blowing, so where the snow's blowing. So yeah, we're going back to where we came from, but just because it's so beautiful, this lake. And we'll wrap it up. The sun is low, but it hasn't set completely. Still got another, say what, another hour and a half, more or less, of sunlight. Alright, we'll go to the middle here and wrap it up, get some pictures. So, thank you all for watching this walking video. Like I said, when I get the gimbal back, gimbal's at home right now, but when I come out another day before winter ends and do a walking video with the gimbal, well, I'll try to do a longer one when I do that. So, for now, thank you all for watching, and we'll wrap it up in a moment. And leave you with this beautiful formations from nature. Have a good day, have a good evening, and as I always say, more videos to come. Thank you all for watching.